If your Kia Forte keeps dropping your Apple CarPlay connection, you are not alone, and the fix is usually much simpler than a dealership visit. Believe it or not, over 80% of these connectivity issues are caused by faulty cables rather than the car's software. Let's walk through the exact steps to isolate the problem. Start by replacing your cable with a high-quality certified one, then clear any debris out of the console USB port. If hardware is good, check your phone settings, remove the car from your Bluetooth list, and perform a system reset on the Kia screen. Make sure your iPhone is set to allow CarPlay while locked, as restricted mode can often kill the connection unexpectedly. Most issues resolve with these simple home checks, but if the unit hardware itself keeps rebooting, it is time for a professional diagnosis. Compare the cost of a simple $20 cable to the significant expense of replacing a full infotainment head unit. If all else fails, use a paperclip to press the physical reset pin located near your volume knob to force a system reboot. Keep a certified cable, some compressed air for the ports, and a paperclip in your glove box for any future connectivity hiccups. Remember, technology is only as reliable as your weakest connection point, so always start with the physical cable. Try these steps today and get your CarPlay back to normal. Thanks for watching and drive safely.